Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cameras. On the left, we have the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K front dash camera for cars, and on the right, we have the Prilot dash camera.
Get ready for some serious camera action. Let the comparison begin. When it comes to capturing your driving adventures in stunning detail, both of these cameras have got you covered. The Cosuvow Dash Cam shoots in mind, blowing Ultra HD 4K resolution, giving you crystal clear footage that will make you feel like a Hollywood director. And the Prilot Dash camera is no slouch either, offering full UHD 4K on the front and 1080p on the rear, with a total of 3 cameras for maximum coverage. It's like having your own personal film crew. Now let's talk about night vision.
We all know that driving at night can be a challenge, but fear not.
The Cosuvow Dash Cam comes equipped with WDR and night vision technology, ensuring that your videos maintain clarity and color accuracy even in the darkest of nights.
And the Prilot Dash camera takes it up a notch with its super night vision and infrared cabin light.
It's like having a superhero sidekick that sees in the dark.
It's time to dive into the world of extra features. The Cosuvow Dash Cam offers a Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to easily view live footage, replay recordings, and even share your epic road trips with friends and family.
And let's not forget about the G sensor and loop recording, which automatically start recording when it detects a collision or shaking. It's like having your own personal bodyguard for your car. On the other hand, the Prilot Dash camera comes with 24-hour parking monitoring and a hardware kit sold separately for continuous recording.
It's like having a security guard for your vehicle, protecting it from any potential theft or vandalism.
Plus, it comes with a free U332GB micro SD memory card, so you'll never run out of storage space for all those crazy road trip memories. Now let's talk about the design. The Cosuvow Dash Cam sports a fashionable mini design that won't block your sight while driving, ensuring maximum safety. Plus, its adjustable front camera allows you to find the perfect angle to capture the road ahead. It's like having a stylish accessory for your car. Meanwhile, the Prilot Dash camera is built to withstand extreme temperatures from scorching hot to freezing cold.
It's like having a dash camera that's as tough as an action hero.
The Cosuvow Dash Cam is highly recommended for its excellent picture quality, user-friendly features, and easy app operation. On the other hand, the Prilot Dash camera receives praise for its clear shooting quality, crash resistance, and reliable performance. Both cameras have their own unique strengths, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks.
The showdown between the Cosuvow Dash Cam and the Prilot Dash camera.
Both cameras have their own unique strengths and features, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember, making a smart purchasing decision is all about knowing what you want and what fits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Stay smart, stay savvy, and keep buying smart.